Ever heard of America's own dragon? Discover the untold.
In the heart of California, amidst the rugged terrain and hidden from the bustling cities, lies a tale as mysterious as it is thrilling. It's not about celebrities or technology hubs. We're diving deep into the legend of the legendary California dragon. Unlike the mythical creatures found in storybooks, this dragon doesn't breathe fire. Instead, it slithers through the waters of the Colorado River. According to local lore, a massive serpent creature has been spotted by Native Americans and early settlers, stretching as far back as the 1800s. Eyewitnesses describe it as having a horse-like head, enormous eyes, and a body that spans the width of the river. Reports say this aquatic dragon has a greenish-black skin that glistens under the sun. Skeptics think it's just misidentified wildlife, but with numerous sightings over centuries, the mystery of California's dragon remains a captivating chapter of the American West. Is it a myth, or does an unknown creature lurk beneath the waters? The truth remains elusive, capturing the imagination of adventurers and myth hunters alike.
Did you know a teacher invented the trampoline? Jump into this.
Imagine jumping high into the air, feeling weightless for a moment. All thanks to a device created not by a famous scientist or an engineer, but by a gymnastics teacher. Meet George Neeson, a man whose love for gymnastics and diving led him to invent the trampoline in 1936. While studying at the University of Iowa, George noticed trapeze artists using their safety nets as a form of entertainment, bouncing back up after their performance. This sparked an idea that would eventually turn into the trampoline we know and love today. Neeson and his coach, Larry Griswold, started working on a prototype, stretching canvas over a steel frame. To test his invention, Neeson even brought a kangaroo to jump on it, showcasing his creation's potential. Thanks to this innovative teacher, gymnasts trained better, and the world got a new way to have fun. Next time you're jumping on a trampoline, remember, it's not just a piece of sports equipment, it's a leap of creativity and imagination.
Ever heard of the Peruvian sea bishop? Your mind will be blown.
Deep in the coastal folklore of Peru, there's a tale not many know about. It's the legend of the Peruvian sea bishop, a mysterious creature that left fishermen and sailors in awe. According to legend, this creature resembled a bishop with a flowing robe and a mitre emerging from the depths of the Pacific Ocean. The sea bishop was not just a mere sighting. It was considered an omen. Sightings were rare, but when the sea bishop appeared, it was said to calm the stormy seas, guiding the fishermen safely back to shore. The story goes that one night, a tumultuous storm threatened the village's fleet. In the midst of despair, the sea bishop emerged, its robe glistening under the moonlight, and the sea calmed instantly. The villagers returned home, their boats full, chanting praises for the sea bishop. This tale became a symbol of hope and protection against the unpredictable fury of the sea. But beware, the sea bishop also held a mysterious power, said to take the souls of those who dared to harm the ocean's creatures. So next time you hear a tale from the sea, remember the Peruvian sea bishop, guardian of the depths.
Did you know there's a human behind your GPS voice?
Imagine driving somewhere and your GPS is guiding you. Ever wondered who's behind that voice? Meet Karen Jacobson, the voice behind millions of GPS devices and smartphones. In 2002, Karen, a singer and voiceover artist from Australia, walked into a recording studio to lend her voice for a GPS software project. She had no idea her voice would end up in over 100 million devices, guiding people worldwide. It took Karen about 50 hours to record the navigation instructions. And now she's an integral part of many journeys without even being in the car. So the next time your GPS says, turn left in 100 meters, remember, you're listening to Karen Jacobson, the GPS lady who's traveled the world with you from the comfort of a recording studio.
Did you know that clothes can be made from milk?
Imagine pouring a glass of milk not into a cereal bowl, but into your closet as part of your wardrobe. Sounds strange, right? But it's a reality for the ingenious people of Mongolia. In the vast, open lands of Mongolia, where the climate can swing from harsh winters to dry summers, the locals have developed a remarkable textile known as milk fiber. This innovative textile is crafted from the casein protein found in milk, offering a sustainable and eco-friendly alternative to traditional fabrics. The process involves extracting the casein from the milk, then spinning it into fibers that can be woven or knitted just like any other yarn. The resulting fabric is not only soft and silky, providing comfort and warmth, but also has antibacterial properties, making it an excellent choice for both clothing and home textiles. The Mongolian innovation of milk fiber showcases a unique blend of traditional knowledge and modern technology, offering a glimpse into how ancient practices can lead to sustainable future solutions.
Ever heard a party in a bird's call? Discover the Amazon's most fascinating secret.
In the heart of the Amazon rainforest lives an ethnic group known as the Yanomami. Among their many unique traditions, one stands out: their special relationship with the rainforest's birds. The Yanomami don't just listen to birds, they communicate with them. Here's the magical part. They believe that certain bird calls are predictors of good fortune, signaling when and where to hunt or gather food. This isn't just about survival. To the Yanomami, birds are the rainforest's messengers, guiding them in a life intertwined with nature's rhythm. Their knowledge of bird calls is so detailed that they can distinguish dozens of different species, each with its specific meaning. This incredible tradition shows us how deeply connected human cultures can be with the natural world, painting a vivid picture of the Amazon's vibrant ecosystem through the ears of its indigenous people. It's a lesson in listening, understanding, and respecting the voices of the forest, where every call holds a story.
Ever heard of a scientist who changed breakfast forever?
Picture your breakfast. Maybe it's got some cereal, bread, or even a glass of milk. Ever wonder why these foods often say fortified with vitamins? Well, meet Dr. Harry Steenbach. In the early 20th century, Harry, a scientist at the University of Wisconsin, made a groundbreaking discovery. He figured out that exposing foods to ultraviolet light increases their vitamin D content. This was huge, especially back then, when rickets, a bone disorder caused by vitamin D deficiency, was a common problem among children. Harry could have become insanely wealthy from this discovery. Instead, he did something incredibly selfless. He patented his invention and then assigned the patent to the university. With the money made from licensing the technology, the university founded the Wisconsin Alumni Research Foundation, WARF, funding research and scholarships. Thanks to Harry Steenbach, millions of breakfasts around the world are not just tastier, but healthier. So, next time you enjoy that bowl of cereal, spare a thought for the man who changed breakfast forever.
What's hiding in Brazil's night sky? Unseen by most.
Deep in the heart of Brazil, away from the bustling cities and famous beaches, lies a mystery not seen by many, but known to a few. Imagine looking up into the night sky and seeing two suns setting on the horizon. This phenomenon, reported by locals in some remote parts of Brazil, has left visitors and scientists puzzled. While some argue it's a trick of perception or rare atmospheric conditions, others believe it's a glimpse into parallel worlds or unknown celestial bodies. This bizarre occurrence attracts curious minds and adventurers to these secluded areas, hoping to catch a glimpse of the dual sunsets with their own eyes. Skeptics and believers alike debate the cause, but one thing is certain: Brazil's night sky holds secrets that are yet to be fully understood. So, next time you're gazing at the stars, remember, the universe might just have more surprises in store than we can imagine.
Did you know an entire village can share a single outfit? Find out how.
In the small, picturesque villages of Aizu, Japan, lies a fascinating tradition that's all about sharing and sustainability. Imagine an entire village sharing a single piece of clothing. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, in Aizu, this concept was very much a reality, thanks to a unique fabric called Aizu cotton. Aizu cotton is known for its durability and comfort, making it a cherished material among the villagers. In the past, when purchasing fabric was costly, a single kimono made from Aizu cotton would be passed down from generation to generation, worn by countless individuals for various ceremonies and special occasions. This tradition exemplifies the Japanese values of motenai, wasting nothing, and kizuna, bonding, as the kimono weaves its story through the ages, physically connecting the community in a very intimate way. Each thread, each stitch tells a tale of unity, history, and the incredible ingenuity of the Japanese people in utilizing resources to foster community spirit.
Ever heard of France's Forgotten Phantom? Why tourists avoid the Mont Saint-Michel at night?
In the shadow of the famous Mont Saint-Michel, there's a tale that sends shivers down the spine of the locals, but is barely known outside of France. Legend has it, a phantom known as La Dame Blanche, or the White Lady, roams the narrow alleys and stone staircases of this medieval fortress. Centuries ago, she was a noblewoman betrayed and imprisoned by her jealous husband within the walls of her own castle. Ever since her mysterious death, her spirit has been seen wandering, seeking justice or perhaps revenge. Tourists laugh, but the locals know better than to wander alone after sunset. They say her presence is accompanied by a sudden drop in temperature and a feeling of being watched. Some even claim to have heard her mournful whispers carried by the wind. It's a story that remains a part of the folklore surrounding Mont Saint-Michel, a reminder of the vibrant history and mysteries that France holds.
Did you enjoy these 10 strange facts? We will bring you more interesting topics in the next video, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and enjoy.